होल्ड करनी ठीक है। This is the application of volar splint after extensor tendon repair. So to increase the physiotherapy, I increase the angle at MCP joint at 45 degree. Now the patient can easily extend the MCP joint and flex the MCP joint. It is active flexion and active extension. फुल ऊपर उठाओ, नीचे लेके आए, ऊपर उठाएं. So this is the extensor tendon injury in the zone 6, and after 3 weeks you can see the patient is extending the finger and flexing the finger. नीचे लेके जाएं. So within the next 3 weeks he will off from this splint inshallah.